Hey guys, Hunky again. The market has been pretty down. I'm just zooming through different social network media sites, and everyone's going crazy. Basically, I think I kind of foresee them probably looking at every 5 minutes or a 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart if you're on Coinbase. I just wanted a quick second video related to the AI trades, just to kind of show you guys the facts, the numbers, and kind of in a sense me kind of promoting it for your benefit in situations where you're really in for the long haul here. In reality, I think it's either you believe it or you don't. If you don't, I think you're just in it for the gamble. You should get out. Like I said before, my Bitcoin adventure started when I got in at $10, and back then it was not in any news. It was complete luck, coincidence through a friend of mine. I didn't have the the balls to keep all that for, I don't know, about 10 plus years. But anyways, there's a long journey. I mean, if you're depending on how your strategy is, and this AI trade, it's one of the, I think, peace of mind that can help you really during the time of, dumping for all majors, including Bitcoin. So I just decided to make a quick video to kind of share you the facts, the numbers, and if you hopefully joined AI trades correctly, it should be aligned with what you see on the next screen. Thanks. So if you created the account per the video, the previous video I made, done your KYC, email verification 2FA, you should be able to be creating an agreement. So I'm far past that. I log in, like I said, it's a weekly AI that runs for you. So if you set everything right, this is your welcome screen as soon as you log in. I noticed every 7 days I have to do two-factor authentication. That's obviously helpful for security reasons, but this is the first homepage that you will see. It has a little pop-up and a cool little video about their product. They don't really get into the numbers and the return ROI, whatever you're looking for, and that's kind of what I wanted to share today. So this is the dashboard. I kind of made this video to kind of show you guys that how the AI, if, like I said, if you run it, it will run for 7 days and turn inactive after that 7 days, and that day it may be different days from my zone to wherever you are. So make sure you keep that running every 7 days. So right now I need to just click run AI, and what that does is this takes about like 5-10 seconds, but this your AI is currently inactive. That's gonna change, and I think the pop-up was just showing up there. The page is refreshing. So now you obviously see the AI is currently running active. That this whole page got updated, so now I'm good for another 7 days. I'll kind of skip through the dashboard menus, assuming you guys kind of play around with it last round. I wanted to kind of guide you on your questions. I think majority of the questions you might have is the security, number one, and the return rate. Security, really, I think that I would have to rely on you to do your research and also read through the agreements. The numbers, it's basically on my last video, so this is just a snapshot of a quick summary. I did not do a return. That's, I think, a quick 2-3 number calculator punch you just need to do. But anyways, the summary is I invested total 1.04. After 122 days, with the option of reinvesting, I think I kind of started that halfway. And then, like I said, the agreement is 1 year long, so that's why I'm keeping track of the days, which is also tracked on the website. And after 122 days, that's the total BTC I've earned. I've actually transferred some portion of it to my personal address, which came through just fine. Like I said, there are some hefty fees. Again, not penalty, but fees whenever you do a transfer. But if that fee did not make sense in comparison to the earnings, I would not have joined, nor would have made this video. So anyways, after 122 days, that's about what, 4 months and 0.45 BTC earned. So 4 months, 0.45. I'm just gonna do a quick ROI for those of you guys are always looking for the percentage on your investment, which is kind of how I usually compare my investments to, whether it be Bitcoin, crypto, real estate. To me, stocks is kind of on the betting side. So just a quick math. So the ROI, usually I just divide the total income, pure profit over the year, over the total investment amount. So in that case, what I'm going to do is, since that 0.45 BTC is earned for 4 months, that means I just need to multiply that by 3 to estimate how much I'll get in a year. And just doing it in my head, it's over 1 BTC. So anyways, just a quick Excel sheet. So 0.45 times 4, right? 4 means 3 months is 3 months times 4 is 12 months. So that's the estimated amount of how much I'll be making in a year, basically. So 1.8 divided by 1.04, that's over 1. So there you have it. $173. Now I'll leave this up to you. Yes, the percentage may turn a lot of people away, perhaps including myself if I was fairly new or somewhat mediocre into this game. But first of all, I verified it. I'm getting the amounts that I'm earning from AI trading transfer over to my account with the I think it was 17% fee. Most important part that kind of alleviated my concern, a little concern I had, was that they will not pay out more than 50% of your total earning in a year. So in other words, you can almost see it as you're just making 50% ROI. To me, that is very good. Probably unheard of, except some of the DeFi or some of the new staking that I'm not up to speed on. But this is, to me, a good method of you kind of you're kind of forced to hodl that BTC for a year. Again, like I said in the beginning, you're either a believer or not. Do you see digital currency being the next replacement of fiat? Then I think you should go for it and stick to that. If you have a doubt, which I often go through that as well, but if you are uncertain, you don't believe it, you're just in it for the money, it's not the right game that you'll be wanting to play with the hardly earned money that or savings you have. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Like I said, I'm showing my complete dashboard of my account that hopefully you guys used for the referral. Again, like I said, once you join under my network, we have a small network going on, which I think I showed in the last video. there's no harm. There's more benefit to it actually if you are under a family or belong to a family. So keep that in mind. I think I'm still reinvested with the earnings, but I think the amount has changed from last video. That's the amount that I have withdrawn. So you can kind of see you're probably going to get your 50% before the 1-year agreement even expires. In which case you're already up 50%, let's say, and after whatever months that's remaining, you're back with another one, so you're essentially making 50%. So you'll see that it's reinvested. Again, I had created 3 agreements. I think there was a tier where you get a little more return on the AI trading depending on whether your agreement amount. I think the next tier up was 1 and over. That's why I put 1.04. So that's all in your tools. Frequently asked questions. If you have any very simple questions, are all here. Like I said, I might have missed a few that may be important. But again, always check the FAQ before you signing the agreement or commencing with the service. Anyways, hope everyone keeps their energy and spirit alive despite this short dump season. Again, like I said, it's either you're in, you're out. If you believe in it, these things are never going to go up in a straight line. There is no such thing, commodity or exchange investment, that has such a form of a straight line. Whatever goes up, comes down, comes down, goes up. But again, you got to look at the big picture. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out like 5 times, and you will see either a parabolic move up or down, or just uncertainty and manipulation. In this case, I think specifically talking about the BTC overall price chart. So hopefully this relieves some of the stress and kind of help you guys enter into another strategy for holding Bitcoin long term. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good evening, morning, or a good day wherever you are. Enjoy your Thanksgiving that's coming up. I don't know when I'll make my next video, but yeah, leave me a comment if you have any questions, or shoot me a message direct. All right, thank you very much for watching, and hit that subscribe and like button. Just want to get some level of a community going for sharing good information. So anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.